Hey everybody, it's Tony Serrano, Field Marketing Manager here at Sandalwood Village in Naples, Florida. And today I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom, 2-bath Valencia apartment home. It is 1,154 square feet, and right now it's only $2,099. Yes, so under $2,100. And we're going to start right here in the master bedroom. So as you can see, it easily fits a queen bed, nightstand, and of course, you have your long wall there for a dresser. And of course, that's a short dresser. So if you do have a bigger one, it will accommodate that easily. And of course, it is your master bedroom. So what's a master bedroom without a master bathroom? So here are 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment homes here at Sandalwood Village. Come with a large soaking tub. And of course, you have your vanity there. And of course, emergency pull cords in every bathroom and bedroom as well too. So it gives you some peace of mind. Finally, let's check out the closet. Walk-in closet space here, good shelving and good space where you can really utilize putting some cubbies, of course a shoe rack or anything like that. So right off of your master bedroom, we have our main area right here. So we have the living room. Here we have it set up as such where we have our long couch, chair, entertainment center, and TV here as well too. You are allowed to mount TVs. So I would really like to mount a larger TV up here, or you can utilize this wall and mount a TV up here too. I would personally put it here because this area flows right into your dining room. So while you're eating, you definitely don't want to miss out any portions of the game or the news. This is a large round table. You can easily put a rectangular table here and put up to 6 chairs. Again, this is an open floor plan because this is where we enter in after we do our Friday Tai Chi with Marianne downstairs. And then you come into your kitchen. This is a beautiful kitchen. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, all that are standard. And of course, you got when you're parched or want a snack, look at everything that refrigerator can hold. That is a wow fridge, and that's what I'm talking about. I might come back for one of those snacks right after as well too. Let's head over to the guest wing of our 2-bedroom Valencia floor plan, and we're gonna go right into our second bathroom. So this is a very large bathroom. I love the vanity space, love the walk-in shower right there. If you need extra grab bars, let us know. We'll be happy to get those for you. And then right in the same area, we have our washer and dryer. Every 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom at Sandalwood Village has a full-size washer and dryer. Easy space to get to. See, I can reach it right up. I'm only about 5'8", so I can get to it. I know you can get to it as well too. We're gonna wrap things up with our second bedroom or office or den. A lot of folks like to configure it as a den. Have a couch that pulls out, so if you do have guests that come in from out of state, you can utilize it as such. But as you can see, we made it into an office area. But again, this large wall here, if you didn't want to make it a true second bedroom, that's where you would put it. But another wow factor, look at this space right here. This is huge space for you to utilize. Plenty of shelving. Again, add those cubbies, put those racks right there for your shoes. Plenty of space for you here in 2-bedroom, luxury living here in Naples. And of course, you gotta enjoy some outdoor space. Summertime in Florida, this is the dream. This is paradise. This is where you want to be. So make sure to give us a call, email us, schedule a tour, see it for yourself. Better yet, go to sandalwoodvillage.com, fill out an application. Myself or Lene will get to you. And we hope to see you soon. Valencia floor plan, 2-bed, 2-bath, only $20.99. Have a great day.